Gandang araw po sa inyong lahat mga kabayan at kaibigan and welcome to our new segment. And this segment is entitled, Let's Talk About Business. Usapang negosyo ito at side hustle. Para ito sa iyo, kabayan. At today, may special guest tayo. At before that, I just simply want to say welcome to Jamie Iris Talk TV, wherein I'm offering you different segments, hindi lang po sa travel, but at the same time, mga possible na extra pangkabuhayan sapagkat ang nais po natin, syempre, umasenso at maging better po ang ating buhay, especially this coming 2022. And napakapalad po natin para sa ating first episode. At naimbitahan ko po ang isa sa mga entrepreneurs na aking kakilala. Nang sa gayon, she can inspire you with her story. Because who might know, right? Baka ikaw din, nais mo mag-start ng business. Or kung hindi naman po, baka naghahanap po kayo ng mga produkto na maibibigay bilang regalo sa iyong pamilya, kaibigan, relatives, lalo na sa mga special occasion. This will save you actually less time. It will save you actually more time when it comes to, pag-iisip, ano ba yung magandang ireregalo? Or kaya, kung may parties kayo, at may special celebration, the product that actually she is offering is something na maganda na kasama sa handa or hapagkainan. Naku, ano kaya yan? I hope nakakain na po kayo nang hindi kayo gutumin. Pero okay lang, kung sakaling gutumin po kayo, ay syempre, pwede po kayong umorder sa ating, guest for today or itikman ang kanyang product. But what is this all about? So, let me introduce to you my guest and she will tell you more about it. Paano siya nagsimula? Anong kanyang mga produkto? At the same time, ano ang maishishare niya sa inyo? So, everyone, let us all welcome our entrepreneur.
Miss Jamie.
Hi,
and
Cherry.
hello to your viewers.
Ayan. So, hi, Cherry. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation to be our guest for this special episode. Siyempre, nais natin i-share sa ating mga viewers, paano ba? How is it to start a business, especially during the pandemic crisis? So, Cherry, first and foremost, bago natin alamin kung ano yung iyong business, paano ka ba nag-start? Para at least they have an idea. Paano ka nag-start sa business mo? At, syempre, you can share to us, ano ba yung business mo?
Ako po ay isang franchisee ng premium flavored plans, which is What's Your Plan? So, yun po, we have a lot of flavors na ma-offer. Nag-start po ako last year lang, which is March, during the pandemic season.
Yan. So, Claire, so before, you said you just started last March, di ba? So, paano ba yung dati mo, saan ka ba nagtatrabaho? Sa Pilipinas or sa Pilipinas? At ano yung trabaho?
Well, before I was a banker.
Mm-hmm.
So, I work in a bank and I work as a customer service in a loan department of a bank. Yeah.
Oh, that's quite great. Ako din. Well, pareho tayong, I used to work in a bank too. Ayan. But then again, di ba, how did things turn? I mean,
Yes.
Paano siya nag-shift? So from being employed and then now naging entrepreneur, what brought about or inspired you to become an entrepreneur?
Yes. Well, actually, before pa, nung bata pa ako, hilig ko na talagang magbenta-benta, ganyan. Pero syempre yung mga, maliliit na, business, ganyan. So, yun nga, when pandemic happens, I was one employee na na-offeran ng early retirement kasi nga, di ba, during pandemic, parang nagbabawas yung companies ng tao, ganyan. So, I was offered an early retirement and then I accepted it and immediately nag-isip na kami ng business. Kasi, unfortunately, my husband also lost his job during the pandemic. So, nag-isip talaga kami ng pagkakakitaan. So, eto na nga po yun.
Yan, o diba? So, katulad din ng marami, Cherry, kayo palang mag-asawa ay kumaga nawalan din ng trabaho during the pandemic crisis. But in spite of, you were able to turn things around. I mean, negatibo man syempre ang dulot ng pandemic sa ating lahat. Meron pa rin kahit paano kagandahan because na-discover nyo itong pagiging entrepreneur. So, how was the start? Kamusta yung journey mo as an entrepreneur?
Well, sa umpisa po, syempre kinakabahan kasi bagong-bago kasi from being an employee, ngayon you're on your own na. Yan. Pero exciting in a way kasi yun nga bago, tapos excited ka sa pagbili ng mga gamit, ganyan. Freezer, bumili kami ng freezer, yun. Tapos yun, aaralin mo kasi yung business, yun. So, inaral. Tapos yun nga, ito po kasing business na to, online business. So mostly, online marketing po yung ginagawa namin. Yun. So yun, masaya naman po.
Ayun, yun naman yung maganda, di ba? So, kahit medyo challenging sa simula, kasi syempre, it's something that is new to you. At syempre, transitioning from being employed to, of course, owning your own business is definitely not easy. Pero katulad ng sabi mo nga, at least you learned how to enjoy it. At the same time, you can see, di ba? It's like, parang bata din siya, di ba? It seems like it's growing. Mahirap nung una, maliit lamang, pero patuloy na ang paglago nito at paglaki nito. And you did mention it's online business, and that's quite, let's just say, that's so timely. Simply because you started it during the pandemic we're in. Ang hirap naman talagang lumabas at with the access of your phone or the laptop, at least you could actually do your business. Now, on that note, Cherry, just would like to ask, tell us, ano ba itong business mo? Anong pangalan ng business mo? And at the same time, ano yung mga products na ino-offer mo?
Yes, our business is What's Your Plan? So, I am one of the franchisees. So, our branch is What's Your Plan Veraville Las Piñas. So, yung kung taga-South kayo, yun, pwede kayo umorder sa amin. And we offer premium flavored leche plan. So, kung gusto nyo makatikim ng unique na flavor ng leche plan, out of the ordinary leche plan, try nyo na po yung product namin. So, we have a variety of flavors. Meron kaming ino-offer also for the health conscious or mga diabetics. Meron din kami. So, yun. Meron kaming gelatos, meron kaming parang cake plans. Yun. So, anything that would satisfy your sweet cravings, meron kami.
Naku, ang sarap naman pakinggan nyo at anything that will satisfy your sweet cravings. Naku, mga kabayan at kaibigan, sino ba dyan ang mahilig sa matamis katulad ko? Katulad namin ni Cherry. Ikaw ba, Cherry, you yourself, mahilig ka sa mga desserts or sa sweets?
Yes, mahilig po. Pero syempre, kailangan konti-konti lang.
Oh, yeah, exactly. But that's quite great kasi, when you start your business, it's very important talaga na at least it's close to your heart at talagang gustong-gusto mo din kasi ikaw mismo, di ba, you're patronizing. So I'm simply so glad to hear that kasi ako, I'm a very foodie and at the same time sweetie. Yan, mahilig talaga din ako sa sweet. At mga kabayan at kaibigan, speaking of that, dahil mahilig talaga ako sa sweets, nakapag-order na po ako kay Cherry.
Yes.
Yun. So yun, natikman ko na yung kanilang product na leche flan and talagang they added, yung extra twist on how they do things. Ang sarap naman po talaga, ubus talaga. At kahit nga po, kumbaga yung distance namin kina Cherry is kumbaga like an hour away, pero nung dumating sa akin yung product, very fresh naman po siya. Yung pangalan ulit ni Cherry, anong pangalan ulit, Cherry, nung in-order ko sa'yo? 4 na flavors yun eh.
Yan po yung isa sa mga bestsellers namin, yung in-order nyo po, yung 4-in-1 Oreo.
Yun. O, diba? Parang nagutom na naman ako. Gusto ko na naman ng matamis. Ayun. So, ayan po. So, let me show you po. Ito yung 4-in-1 Oreo that actually I ordered. Ayan. Ang sarap po talaga. And looking forward na you can also try it out. Now, marami akong flavors na nakita, Chair. So, ano yung iba pang bestseller na meron ka?
Yes, we do have other 4-in-1 flavors. Kasi maganda kasi yung 4-in-1 Miss Jamie kasi ano siya, it's like a sampler of our product. So, meron din siyang single flavors ton, pero mas maganda kasi kung 4-in-1, at least 4 na yung matitikman mo. So, we have 4-in-1 tiramisu, 4-in-1 Oreo, and then 4-in-1 fantasy cakes. Yun.
Wow. Okay, that's quite great. So, ayan po yung mga samples po natin. Tingnan po natin. Yan po yung sinishare ni Cherry. If you want to know po, sabi niya, like, itong different flavors. Tikman, ika nga, sampler. Ayan, di ba? At then, kapag siguro meron ka talagang katulad ko, alam mo, yung gustong-gusto ko na, then order ka, pwede yung Cherry, no? Order sila nung yun lang yung flavor na yun kung talaga nagustuhan talaga nila. Same price din ba yun? Or may different sizes pa siya?
Same price. Actually, one size lang po talaga siya. Yung tin can. Yun. Ganun lang siya. And then, same price po. And sometimes we do offer discounts din po.
Naku, ayan mga kabayan at kaibigan. Kapag kayo ay umorder, sabihin nyo lang na panood nyo po si Cherry dito sa ating channel so that at least kung meron silang discount that they could offer, they could actually offer to you. At sabi nga po, napakaganda niyan. If you want, for example, di ba sa mga birthdays ngayon, although hindi man ganun po yung masyado yung gatherings natin, pero at least sa inyong pamilya. So instead, kumbaga, or hindi po kayo palaging nagluluto katulad ko. So maganda, umorder na rin. If you want to offer something that is unique, leche flan with a twist, ayan, yan naman po yung ino-offer nila, Cherry, sa inyo. And at the same time, Cherry, so Oreo, so for chocolate lovers, so ano yung ma-recommend?
Actually, yung 4-in-1 fantasy cakes, more on chocolate siya talaga kasi may choco butternut, may s'mores, may ano pa ba?
Okay lang yan.
Choco fudge. Ayan.
Ayun. So, yan po. Tingnan ninyo. At katakam-takam naman po talaga yung mga products nila. And then, how about, for example, we might have some viewers na hindi naman talaga sila yung ganun kahilig sa mga chocolate. Meron ka ba yung gelato?
Yes, we do have gelatos. Isa rin po sa bestsellers. Pero ito, ang price nito more mas mataas ng konti. Fruity gelato. So, mahilig sa fruit, tsaka sa ice cream. So, pinag-isa na po namin. So, ang bestseller po namin is the 2-in-1 fruity gelato. So, that consists of strawberry and mango. And then, fruity Yakult gelato. So, may Yakult siyang kasama sa ingredients.
Oh, okay. So, yung fruity Yakult gelato custard, yun ba yun?
Yes.
Wow, okay. Mukhang mapapa-order na naman po ako.
Highly recommended.
Ayan, mahilig talaga ako, Cherry, sa gelato. So, usually when I travel, for example, sa Italy, o kaya sa France, unang hinahanap ko talaga mga gelato. So, ayan mga kabayan at kaibigan, kapag kayo ay nasa Pilipinas at kung sakasakaling gusto nyo ipatikim sa inyong, kumbaga, pamilya, yung gelato taste, maaari nyo pong pwede kayo mag-order kay Cherry dahil napakasarap ng kanyang, kumbaga, mga products. So, Cherry, ito ba, what can you say about like the ingredients na ginagamit natin dito? Kasi sometimes mga health conscious itong mga viewers natin.
Actually po, we do offer also for diabetics or health conscious. Yun naman po yung keto avocado gelato.
Yun nga, banggit mo kanina. Tell us more about it para sa mga nagki-keto diet or yung mga health conscious. Sige, tell us.
Actually, kung halimbawa, yung hindi ka naman health conscious or diabetic, baka hindi mo siya magustuhan. Kasi, ano talaga siya, ginamitan po siya na ingredients na specialized for the diabetics or nagkikito na tao. So, yun po yung
less on sugar.
Avocado. Oo, ibang sugar po yung pang ano talaga.
Okay. Special sugar. That is good for their health.
Opo. And then, avocado. So, yun.
Mm-hmm. So, this is your premium avocado cheesecake custard. Am I right?
Yes.
Oh, diba? So, totoo yan, no? Kumaga, sabi nga po nila, when it comes to the foods, itong avocado ay napaka-healthy. And just imagine, you can enjoy it also. Hindi lang siya as a fruit, but also as a dessert. Ayan, that you can actually keep watch of your figure or kaya yung health po natin. So, see, we have quite a lot of variety that they actually offer. And then,
may I just add, Miss Jamie?
Yes, please tell us.
Yung iba po kasing nakakakita nung pictures ng products namin, lagi nila sinasabi, ay baka matamis or baka hindi ko magustuhan, sobrang tamis, hindi ako masyadong mahilig, ganyan. Nagugulat sila. Actually kami din, Miss Jamie, nung natikman namin yung products. Nagulat kami kasi hindi siya ganun katamis, parang tama lang yung sweetness niya. Or ikaw ba, Miss Jamie, ano bang masasabi mo?
Ako naman tama lang. Gusto ko naman yung yung sa akin kasi sa Fantasy ako, 'di ba, Cherry, yung aking in-order. Kasi nga ang pinili ko dati is yung Oreo kasi nga gusto ko siyang matikman. Although nagdadalawang isip ako kasi gusto ko rin ng s'mores. Gusto ko din ng kaya lang one at a time lang po mga kabayan. Kasi talagang mahilig po talaga ako sa sweets, pero syempre kailangan pangalagaan din sa intake ng alam mo yun ng sugar. Kaya sabi ko, sige, ito muna. Tapos kailangan lang i-burn siya. Ang sarap niya kasi talagang you'll be able to taste yung pinaka-texture, kasi ako very particular din Cherry when it comes to like cake or leche flan. Gusto ko yung smooth at the same time yung talagang kumbaga ma-enjoy mo yung taste ng product at kumbaga when I tasted that sa talagang masarap, talagang tipid na tipid pa nga ako kasi I shared it also to my family para at least matikman din po nila. So yan, may kanya-kanya po kaming favorite na gustong kainin yon. Kaya you can also try it. Depends on your preference po. So, yun nga po yung premium flavored flans, leche flans with cherry. So, can you give them a rough idea, Cherry, like at this point in time, magkano ba yung price noong kung yung sampler? Halimbawa yung Oreo?
Yes, it's suggested retail price is 380 pesos po. Pero we do offer discounts from time to time po.
Ayan, so naku, abangan nyo po para at least makaka-avail kayo ng discount from time to time from Cherry. At yun po, so premium flavored leche flans. So that is what she is offering to all of you. And at the same time ba, now nakita ko, available din ba yung pint size sa inyo or yun lang premium, yung mga premium Fantasy lang yung available?
I still need to check po, Miss Jamie, dun sa pint size po.
Sige, sure. Nakita ko lang siya. So, ayan. So, bukod pa doon, at Cherry, halimbawa, may mga nakikita akong flavor, but then again, I'm not sure if available din sa inyo to, yung may millionaire's cake na leche flan.
Yes.
Ano yun? Na-curious na millionaire's cake.
Actually, hindi mo siya talaga ma-explain, Miss Jamie. Kailangan, matikman mo siya kasi para siyang made of imported chocolates yung lasa niya. So, ganun siya. Para siyang cake na, ayun, for chocolate lovers siya, recommended siya. Yun. Okay. Ano naman siya, hindi siya nakatinkan, siya, yung acrylic na container.
Okay. Kaya pala. So, when I'm looking at it, sabi ko, parang iba yung presentation niya or nasa ibang container nga siya nakalagay. And ano yung toppings niya?
Chocolates.
Chocolate itself.
Different kinds of chocolates.
Sa mga chocolate lovers dyan, talaga namang you have so many choices to choose from. So kung mga kabayan, kung pauwi po kayo dito sa Pilipinas, ayan na, isa na yan sa inyong pagpipilian ng mga dessert na maaari niyong tikman. Kasi sometimes, diba, andun yung food trip ng mga kabayan natin. Syempre, na-miss naman nila ang Pilipinas. So you could actually try that. Now, Cherry, like for me, if I will try again, kumbaga different flavors, more on the milky side kasi ako So, alin dyan yung, ano pa yung i-recommend mo na pwede kong i-try?
Milky side. Pwede po yung meron kami nung Peruvian plan. Made of roasted milk po yung ginamit sa kanya. So, one of the best sellers din po siya. Peruvian plan.
Peruvian plan. Ako.
Yes.
Sige, titingnan natin yan. Naku, ang dami kong pagpipilian kasi mahilig po ako dun sa medyo milky and at the same time, yung isang nakikita ko is yung gelato yung strawberry. Yes. Ano ba yung kapartner niya? Strawberry and
mango.
Naku po, favorite ko pa.
That's highly recommended. Favorite ko din siya. Personal favorite.
Naku, mukhang mapaparaming order natin mga kabayan. Pero one at a time kailangan. Kasi kung hindi, ma-enjoy ko na. Kasi alam niyo, lalo na pag nanonood ng movies or kaya, I give after a very long, hard work, sometimes I give myself a treat at least in a week or in a month, kailangan naman po natin yon dahil syempre nagtatrabaho tayong lahat. So give yourself a treat mga kabayan. Order na po kayo. So, but before that, so Cherry, thank you so much for sharing about your products. But then again, I also would like to ask, so as a solo entrepreneur, an entrepreneur at this point in time, what were the challenges that you encountered when you started at ngayon and how are you overcoming it? Para tips din dun sa ating mga starting entrepreneurs.
Actually, mahirap talaga. At the start of the business, masaya kasi yun nga, madaming curious, madaming nag-orders. Pero may time din na yung bababa naman siya, parang bababa yung energy, bababa yung kita, ganyan. So, it's okay kasi part talaga yan ng business. So, hindi ka dapat mawala ng pag-asa pag ganon. So, and then ang naging problema din namin nung syempre sa pandemic. So, pag tumataas yung cases, medyo kailangan mag-ingat. So, kasi ang husband ko usually ang nagde-deliver pag within the south area. So, kailangan mag-ingat din siya, safety protocols, yan, yon. And then, syempre, minsan naliligaw-ligaw din siya kasi hindi din siya familiar sa mga lugar. Yun din yung isa sa struggles namin. And then, minsan meron ding parang mga nag-i-inquire na yung hindi naman talaga bibili. So, yun. Kailangan patience kapag nakikipag-communicate ka with the clients.
Oo naman yun, no? Parang kung ihahalin tulad mo doon sa trabaho mo dati as a banker and then customer service, how is it the same and how is it different as an owner?
Medyo close naman kasi customer service. So medyo sanay na po sa mga clients. Pero ayun nga, pero syempre different different products naman yung ino-offer.
Totoo naman. And at the same time, kumbaga, sariling produkto ninyo yung ino-offer, di ba? And that really makes you very proud then. And at the same time, ano yung mga tips na maibibigay mo sa ating mga viewers about if they want to start a business, especially ngayong pandemic at employed pa sila, ano yung siguro bigyan mo sila na top 2 tips?
Yes. Number 1, kailangan gusto nyo yung binibenta nyo. So, you love the business, you have the passion for it. Yon. Kasi, mawawalan din kayo ng gana later on kung hindi nyo talaga gusto yung business na papasukin nyo. So, kailangan, number 1 is gusto nyo talaga yung binibenta nyo or gusto nyo yung business na pinapasok nyo.
Talagang iba, no? Kapag you really like it at talaga namang kahit na anong hirap, katulad nga ng sabi mo, ay susuungin mo. So,
Yes.
you said March, so mag-1 year pa lang, tama? Yung
Yes.
business?
Mag-1 year pa lang. Pero
2
parang ang
months.
dami nang napagdaanan.
Talaga?
Oo.
So ano yung na one of the most memorable na isa sa pinagdaanan mo masasabi mo, oh, I really got yung, bakit siya memorable? Yan.
Ano lang, kasi may time po kasi Miss Jamie na talagang parang wala talagang bumibili ng ilang weeks, ganyan. So parang medyo nawawalan ka na ng pag-asa kapag ganun. Pero go lang ako, go lang ng go. So isa rin sa mapapayo ko sa inyo, don't give up. Talagang go lang, push lang. Yun, wag mawalan ng pag-asa. Kasi ako, kahit walang sale sa isang araw or sa ilang weeks, ang gagawin ko, post pa din ng post ng products sa FB page. Yan. So, yun nga, hindi sa isang hindi inaasahang panahon, biglang may nag-inquire, tapos bumili. More than one product pa yung binili niya. So, yun, Miss Jamie, parang blessing talaga from God.
Yun. And I'm glad to hear that. Kasi I think para sa mga starting entrepreneur, ganun talaga. Minsan meron, minsan wala. Pero yung gusto ko yung sinabi mo na go, go, go lang. Kumbaga, wag po kayong give up. Kumbaga, nasimulan po ninyo, believe doon sa inyong sarili at sa produkto ninyo. Kasi sometimes meron talagang panahon na, alam mo yon, hindi talaga, ay tawag may up and down, di ba? Yung peak tsaka yung non-peak season. Pero kapag nakilala naman yan ng mga tao, ayan na, susunod-sunod na. And looking forward, this 2022, more blessings be upon you. And with that, mga kabayan, so looking forward na na-inspire po kayo sa story ni Cherry about her business at ganun din ng kanyang husband. If there's one thing, Cherry, before we leave, what was one of the great learnings that you've gained sa pandemic crisis or sa mga challenges mo sa buhay?
Ayun po. So, yun nga, yung greatest na thing that I've learned from this pandemic and having a business is find positivity in every situation. So, yun. Kasi tulad nga nun, Miss Jamie, yung napagdaanan namin na not all the time may kita. So, kailangan positive thinking ka pa din. Always stay positive na magkakaroon din yan in the later days or you don't know when.
Exactly. Just, yun, gusto ko yun, stay positive. Yes. Regardless of the negativity that you see in the situation na momentarily lang yan. Kasi sabi mo nga, Cherry, di ba? Dadating din yung positive moments, kaya lang, kailangan lang natin sometimes mag-wait. It could be yung factors environmentally, like for example, sabi mo nga, di ba, yung lockdown alert levels na meron tayo ngayon. So, looking forward that again, yung mga situations po natin, bagamat, lalo na sa mga business people, sa mga entrepreneurs, medyo challenging kasi nga paiba-iba po yung protocols, paiba-iba po yung ating mga, kumbaga yung mga alert level po natin, pero just don't give up. Kumbaga, at least andyan yung online platform to actually help you out. And how helpful has it been for you, Cherry, yung online platform natin?
Well,
social media.
Malaking tulong kasi doon na ma-market yung product. So, makikita nila kung ano yung mga products na ino-offer. And then, I also post the feedbacks from the client. So, yun. Napakadaling mag-market through social media. And it's free.
Yes, exactly. And with that, makikita niyo po yan. So, i-share ko po sa inyo. Ito po yung mga kabayan at kaibigan, looking forward that this segment had inspired you at na-inspire po kayo sa story ni Cherry as an entrepreneur. So if you are planning to start a business, so looking forward that at least maging mas matagumpay po din ito katulad ng kay Cherry. At syempre, ibibigay ko po yung floor kay Cherry para imbitahan po kayo at malaman nyo po saan po ba siya i-contact, paano siya i-contact, ano yung mga social media, kumbaga anong social media po siya meron para at least makita ninyo kung ano yung mga products na kanyang ino-offer. Sige, Cherry, kindly invite them sa iyong business.
Yes, I would like to invite sa mga viewers ni Miss Jamie na mga taga South area. So, yun, meron po kaming premium flavored plans to offer sa inyo, ang What's Your Plan. So, you can check our Facebook page at What's Your Plan Veraville Las Piñas. And also, meron din po kaming Instagram. What's Your Plan? Veraville Las Piñas din po. And also, Miss Jamie, baka meron din silang, kung gusto lang din nilang mag-franchise,
Okay.
you can check the website of What's Your Plan. So, alam ko may ino-offer po sila ngayon na discount for being a franchisee or distributor. So, you can check the website as well.
Wow, that's quite great. So si Cherry, since sa South po siya located, that's why she mentioned anyone from you na sa South po, you can actually order from her kasi that is where they deliver. But at the same time, thank you, Cherry, for that information. I think some of our, mga viewers po natin from different parts of the world, they might be interested to at least franchise. So ilalagay po natin yan dito. So yan po.
Yes.
Ayan
and also,
po
Miss Jamie,
yes, tell us.
They also offer distributorship to other countries na rin po. So,
wow.
They also have for other
They also
countries.
do that?
Yes.
So, hindi lang siya local, kung hindi global din ito.
Yes.
I mean, they do international para sa product. So, yun po mga kabayan, that's a great news just in case nag-iisip kayo, ano kaya yung magandang business na pwede nyo gawing extra. So, ito, you can take into consideration, what's my flan? Tama, Cherry? So, it's all about, yes, what's your flan? So, it's all about leche flan na kinumbine po iba sa cake. So, meron pong very sweet, meron naman po talagang for health conscious. So you might want to see, and first you have to try it. So if you're somewhere from the South, you can definitely order from Cherry so that at least matikman po ninyo. At kung interested po kayo, katulad ng sabi ni Cherry, either mag-franchise or kaya maging distributor even there. Hindi lang po sa Pilipinas, pwede naman po sa Pilipinas kung sakasakali po para sa mahal niyo po sa buhay, just in case gusto niyo silang bigyan ng pangkabuhayan at sa tingin niyo magugustuhan po nila itong product na ito. So other than the South, ayan, sa ibang parte po ng Pilipinas, so pwede din po. And then sabi din ni Cherry, just in case maybe you're planning, possible ba dyan sa bansa kung saan kayo kumbaga nakatira, like especially for our balikbayans, ayan, or non-OFWs, maaring pwede ito sa inyo. Sa mga OFWs, possible dito sa atin, sa bansa natin, and for the balikbayans who are already residents of other countries, you can take that into consideration then. So, maaari. Hindi ba, Cherry? Am I right?
Yes, Miss Jamie. You can just contact the website and then malay nyo yung kung nasan man kayong bansa, available pala yung area na yon for distributorship.
That's quite great. Nakita ko nga, as I was reading the details, sabi ko, wow, that's quite great. At least yung product po ni Cherry, hindi lang pa siya pang local, even pang global din po siya. Ganon kasarap. Yeah. Kaya yung mga flavors po talaga na.
Try nyo na po.
Yan, so try it na. So what are you waiting for, everyone? Dial nyo na po. Or, but yes.
Jamie, may I just add po. So, try nyo na po yung products namin. Highly recommended, and also for your sweet tooth cravings, and also best ano rin po siya, recommendation for gifts. Kasi napaka-unique po niya. So, siguradong magugustuhan po ninyo.
Ayan. So, yan nga po. Yan yung naiisip ko talaga, Cherry. So, tama yung sinabi ni Cherry. So, best for different occasions, mahilig sa matatamis at maganda pong panregalo. Ayan. Para at least po kung, alam mo, nahihirapan na kayo kasi masyadong palaging ganun na lang yung regalo and you want something that is unique, why not? Definitely order this special flan. Ayan.
And also, Miss Jamie, sorry.
Yeah, sure.
We also do offer, if it would be for a gift, we do also have free personalized greeting cards. So, gumagawa kami, din papakita muna namin bago namin i-print yung design. Or pwedeng sila yung mag-provide ng design. So, yon na pwedeng kasama nung plans. So, personalized greeting cards.
Well, February is just around the corner, everyone. Valentine's Day. So, kung nag-iisip kayo ng mga special, ay ang gift. Or meron pa rin naman ngayong January, habol kayo. Kung hindi kayo nakapagbigay ng Christmas gift or New Year's gift sa inyong mga loved ones, eto na. Diba? Very affordable, high quality, masarap, ayan, at healthy pa, especially yung mga flavors nila na for keto. So with that, everyone, so looking forward na hindi lang po kayo natakam doon sa product ni Cherry that they have to offer, but also looking forward, matulungan natin si Cherry din and the business para kung may kasakasakali kung bukod sa inyo, may kakilala kayo na nais po either tumikim nung kanilang product na special flan, please share this video to those people. And at the same time din po, kung sakasakaling interested po kayo doon sa business sinasabi ni Cherry, please again, make sure that at least you contact these details or you can get in touch with Cherry so that at least she could give you more idea about it at nang sa gayon ay just in case you want to start a business this 2022, well, you can definitely do that. Si Cherry, ako, we started during the pandemic crisis. So, walang imposible po. Kahit sabi nga ni Cherry kanina, focus on the positivity. Kahit negative in situations, who knows, right? This can bring about something that is really positive, such as her business. So, once again, everyone, first is I simply want to say, thank you, Cherry, for...
Thank you, Miss Jamie. Thank you for the opportunity and to be part of the first episode of this segment.
Exactly. You are most welcome, and I'm simply so glad that you accepted the invitation and for being the first guest of our business segment. So once again, everyone, this is Jamie Iris Talk TV. Ito po ang ating bagong segment na looking forward na lagi niyo pong aabangan. Ito po ang ating, ayan, let's talk about business, usapang negosyo at side hustle para sa'yo, kabayan. With that, everyone, we want to simply say, God bless you, stay safe, and see you in my next video. Please don't forget to click like, at kung hindi pa po kayo subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. At ganun din po, imbitahan na rin namin kayo. May YouTube channel din po si Cherry. So Cherry, imbitahan mo na sila.
Yes, Cherry Ann Galvez. Yun po yung name ng aking YouTube channel. So please support din also. So meron din akong pinipicture na What's Your Plan products doon. And beauty and lifestyle.
Yun, mga kaibigan. So, please, subaybayan niyo po ang aming mga channel ko po, at channel ni Cherry, wherein we bring to you, kumbaga, hindi lang po travel tips, but at the same time, pangkabuhay ng mga tips. And for her, if you want to get to know her plans even more, so please take a look and visit her channel. This is her channel. So with that, everyone, we'll see you in our next episode. God bless you, mga kabayan, and see you real soon. See you.